And Jennifer, it appears that part of the dismissal is also just the age of the case, because while he was in jail for 23 years, this alleged crime happened back when he was 26. They believed that Flowers had went to his old employer, shot and killed them for firing him, and then killed three other employees to kind of cover his tracks. But as that case progressed, those witnesses, those evidence deteriorated. People passed away. It became an almost impossible case, I believe, for them to try. And that's part of the reason why they dismissed the case. To Judge Birmingham's point, maybe this should have been something they resolved after the fourth or fifth try. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I agree with you. And, there is a reason that you try to get to trial as soon as you can. You want to make sure you have your witnesses. You want to make sure you have your forensic evidence lined up. And this case is over 2 decades old. The forensic evidence that was collected at that time may not have been tested in the way that it can be now. It may not have been collected the way it could be now. And so there likely isn't a lot of supportive forensic evidence to go along with the witness statements. So 20 plus years later, you're right, you don't have the elements that you need to prove a crime beyond a reasonable doubt and do it in a way that absolutely follows the law. And that's the concern here, is if it kept getting overturned, then there are things that were being done on the prosecution side that didn't absolutely follow the letter of the law, which is the cornerstone of our criminal justice system. You have to convict people beyond a reasonable doubt, and you have to do it following the law, doing it the right way, not turning the situation in so that it isn't fair to the defendant. It has to be fair to the defendant. And I don't see how they can try someone so long later. I just don't think it would work. And I think after 6 times, I think you pull the plug, unfortunately.
Yeah, agreed.